Alright, so we have the next axis. We have a second one on here. Now all we gotta do is put the Z-axis, but, you know, we still need to document each stage, I suppose. Alright, do a walk around here. And this is all just from parts of that stupid scanner. It's very fun. Right now I'm using an 18-volt power supply, which really comes out about 22, which is retarded. Then I have my stepper motor controllers. They have the STK672-050, really easy to hook up to the parallel port here. And we've got our power resistors here. We just don't want anything going in there too much, heating anything up. Let's see here. And we've got our 5-volt source, and then this is our power to the 18-volt power supply. Let's see here. I still have another motor down inside there. I need to gut it out, pull it out of there first. Before I do much else, I gotta pull it apart and get the rest of the stuff out of there. But it's all controlled here with EMC. Go ahead and start it up. Got a red light. Go for green. Twist this around here real quick. As you can see, I've been playing a lot. And there it goes. It actually does this in about less than 45 seconds, somewhere in there. But it's operating pretty smoothly. And there it was. If I had the table on there and the Z-axis, I would be very happy because I could sketch that in like less than 45 seconds. Let me close this out and bring it back up real quick. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing here. This is what it's doing. I don't know if you can actually hear it in the background or not, but it's just cranking away. See how quick that thing moves? It's just 18 volts right there, and it's able to pull that. With these little itty bitty motors that I found in this scanner. They're not really little, they're pretty stout. I mean, there's my hand for comparison. They're all about the same size. Right now I'm thinking I gotta get some different resistors because these just heat up like crazy. Probably boil water with them. But until next time.